Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve an interesting maths Olympiad question to the power x plus x is equal to 11, x is equal to what? How to solve this algebraic equation or exponential equation. Here is to the power x plus x is equal to 11, x is equal to what? So if you think here is x is equal to 1, so you can say easily 2 plus 1 it is not is equal to 11. So if you think x is equal to 2, so 4 plus 2 will be 6, 6 not is equal to 11. So if you think x is equal to 3, look, it is interesting. 2 to the power 3 it will be 8, 8 plus 3 it will be 11. So you can see easily here is x is equal to 3. This is our final answer. But how to solve this question? But how to find out, how to evaluate this maths Olympiad question? So let's start. Here is 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x plus x is equal to 11. Then this expression I can say easily 2 to the power x is equal to 11 minus x. I just move on this x in this side, we'll find out it will be 11 minus x. Then if I divide both sides by 2 to the power x, I divide both sides by 2 to the power x. Yes, so we'll find out 2 to the power x divide 2 to the power x, it will be 1 is equal to, and it will be 11 minus x over 2 to the power x. Yeah, now this equation I can say easily it will be 11 minus x times 2 to the power minus x is equal to 1. Look, we know that 1 over a to the power n according to exponential law, e to the power minus n. According to this law, I can say easily 1 over 2 to the power x, it will be 2 to the power minus x. Okay, now I multiply both sides 2 to the power 11. Because of that, I use here is Lambert W function. So what is the Lambert W function? Example, Lambert W function a to the power a is equal to a. Look, a to the power a is equal to a. Lambert W function p to the power p, it will be p. Lambert W function 2 to the power 2, it will be 2. So I can say that here is 11 minus x, but minus x, so I need here is 11. Because of that, here is 11, so I multiply both sides to the power 11. So I can say easily here is 11 minus x times 2 to the power minus x times 2 to the power 11 is equal to 2 to the power 11. 2 to the power 11 times 1, it will be 2 to the power 11. Then look, we'll find out here is 11 minus x times, and it will be 2 to the power 11 minus x. Look, here is basis same, so according to exponential law, I just add this exponent and it will be 2 to the power 11. Okay, now I can say easily it will be 11 minus x times e to the power ln 2 to the power 11 minus x is equal to 2 to the power 11. Look, we know that the exponential law e to the power ln a is equal to a. According to this natural log rules, I can say easily 2 to the power 11 minus x, it will be e to the power ln 2 11 minus x. It doesn't fact. So let's start again. Here is 11 minus x times, it will be e to the power, we know that the exponential law, this exponent is move on in front. Because of that, here is natural log, so it will be 11 minus x times, it will be 11 ln 2 is equal to 2 to the power 11. But look, if I want to use here is Lambert W function, we know that this value and this value must be same, but here is ln 2, here is no ln 2, so I multiply both sides again ln 2. So it will be, I can see easily it will be 11 minus x times ln 2, and e to the power 11 minus x ln 2 is equal to 2 to the power 11, and here is ln 2. Then at this moment, if I use both side Lambert W function, so I can say easily Lambert W function 11 minus x times ln 2 and e to the power 11 minus x times ln 2. And here is Lambert W function to the power 11 ln 2. Yeah, now I can say easily, according to Lambert W function, it will be 11 minus x times ln 2 is equal to, look, here is 2 to the power 11. So 2 to the power 11, I can say Lambert W function, it will be 8, 2 to the power 3 ln 2 and 2 to the power 8. Look, 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 8, it will be 2 to the power 11. You can see easily, because of that 3 plus 8, it will be 11. Yeah, now in this expression, look, 11 minus x times ln 2 is equal to Lambert W function. And in this expression, I can say easily, here is, look, 2 to the power 3, it will be 8, and here is ln 2, and it will be e to the power ln 2 to the power 8. Yeah, because of that, e to the power ln a is equal to a, this value. If you think this is a, so e to the power ln a, it will be this. Okay, now again I can say 11 minus x times ln 2 is equal to Lambert W function 8 ln 2, and e to the power, look, this value move on in front according to natural log rules, so 8 ln 2. Yeah, now if you think, look, this is a and this is v, so you can easily here is use Lambert W function, because of that this value and this value are same. So it will be 11 minus x times ln 2 is equal to, it will be 8 ln 2. Yeah, it is interesting maths. Now you can say easily, here is ln 2 and here is ln 2 is cancel out. Because of that, if I divide both sides by ln 2, we'll find out 11 minus x is equal to 8. So we'll find out here is 11 minus x is equal to 8. Then you can say easily, this 8 in move on in front here, so it will be 11 minus 8, and if you move on this x in this side, it will be negative. When this x move on in right side, it will be positive. So we'll find out here is x is equal to 11 minus 8, it will be 3. This is our final answer in this maths question, in this maths Olympiad question. It is interesting maths. So if you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye, take care.